10 seconds away from the beginning of the first men's basketball game of the evening. Team Guam versus Team Chuuk. And that is the buzzer officially starting the game.
Welcome to our first playoff game for MicroGames 2014. Welcoming on the court from Team Chuuk, number 4, John Alifios. Number 5, Eddie Nipon. Number 11, Akshin Ayashi.
Alifios enters the court for Team Guam. Team Chuuk, I'm sorry. Nipon, Alishi, Kepwe, and Fritz for Team Chuuk.
Number 8, Giant Han.
From Team Guam.
Number 10, Williams Tinet. Number 11, Seti Kusiko. Number 12, Chokla. Good luck to both teams.
For the entire duration of the MicroGames for the men's basketball, Team Guam has proven dominant. The start off of the playoffs. Team Guam gets the tip off. Number 8, fake pass. Passes in to number 11, level 11, fake pumps, shoots, misses. Number 5 rebounds, and the ball stays with Team Chuuk. Pressed by Team Guam. Number 11 driving up the court, gets double teamed. Long pass to number 14. Number 14 passes number 5. Number 5 dribbles, passes number 11. Number 11 fakes, lays it up, misses. Guam rebounds. Number 5 dribbles up the court. Number 12 almost loses the ball, passes back to number 5. Number 8 grabs the ball, passes. Number 5 trying to set his team. Number 8 dishes in, lays it up, and it's a foul called on number 5, Team Chuuk. And Guam gets to head to the free throw line at the very early start of the game. Guam puts in the first shot, makes it a 1-point lead. Tries for the second, both shots went in. Team Guam starting off early with a full court press. Number 5 driving all the way in, lays it up, ties the score, 2-2. Coast to coast by number 5. Guam drives it in, passes to number 12. Number 12 fake pumps, shoots, scores within the key. Number 11 calling it in, feeling the pressure from Team Guam's defense. Going all the way, passes to number 4. Number 4 almost gets double teamed. Center, number 13 drives, shoots, misses in the key. Number 5 dribbling up the court, passes number 10. That should have been a walking call, but never got called for. Got recovered by number 12. Number 5 dishes to number 10. Number 10, long pass to number 12. Fake pumps, drives it in, lays it up, reversal, misses. Team Chuuk rebounds. Number 13, a center driving up the ball. Goes in, number 11, misses the opportunity. Passes to number 5. Number 5 dishes back in and gets a foul by number 4. Team Guam was hoping for a free throw. Instead, they get a baseline inbound. Number 12 gets the inbound, passes. Number 10 shoots, he misses. Good tip off by number 11, Team Guam. Guam repossesses the ball. Number 8 passes number 5. 5 to number 11. Gets a foul called on number 13, Team Chuuk. Score now is 4-2. This makes team fouls for Team Chuuk 3. Number 8 inbounds to number 12. Number 12 going physical with number 4. Going all the way in and gets a foul called. And it's a foul called on number 12. It's a charging call. Team Chuuk gets in a goal. Full court press by Team Guam. Number 11 gets double team, pass to number 14. Number 13 manning up number 11. Makes the jumper within the key, shoots, and he scores. Score now is 4-4. It's a tie. Long pass to number 12. 12 passes back to number 5. 5 dishes into number 11. Gets double teamed. Good defense by number 11. Ball goes out of bounds. Ball stays with Team Guam. Shot clock 14 seconds. Time on the clock 7 minutes 16 seconds. Guam inbounds, looking for help. 5 gets the ball, dishes to number 12, shoots the 3, makes the 3-pointer. Guam leads with 3 points. Chuuk drives up, gets double teamed. Good defense by Team Guam. Inbound to number 11. Number 11 dribbling, fakes, drives in, lays it up, in the key, misses. Number 12 rebounds. Number 5 dribbling up the court. Passes number 8. Number 8 fakes. Passes number 10. Number 10 dribbles, passes it back 5, back to 8. Inside the key with number 10. Number 10 lays it up, misses. Put back by number 10, and it's a score. Full court press again by Team Guam. Long pass to number 4 for Team Chuuk. Number 5, Team Chuuk setting it up. Dishes in to number 13. Number 13 fakes, shoots, and it's an air ball. Team Guam inbounds and dribbling up the court. Time on the clock, 6 minutes, 10 seconds. Score is 9-4. 5-point lead by Team Guam. Passes back to the center. Number 5 gets the ball, calling the shots. Passing it to number 10, gets a screen. Number 8 dribbles. Guarded by number 14, Team Chuuk. Spins, passes number 10. Blocks, get blocked by number 13, Team Chuuk. 11 dribbling up the court. Manned by number 8, Team Guam. Stolen by number 12, Team Guam. Heading up the court, dribbling. 3-on-1. Passes back to number 5. Dishes back to number 12. Running in on the court. Shoots, and it's an air ball. I'm sorry, it was blocked by number 14. Possession is still Team Guam. Time on the clock is 5 minutes, 29 seconds. 9-4, 5-point lead by Team Guam. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Referee blows the whistle to start the game again. Time on the clock, 5 minutes, 29 seconds. And it is Guam's position. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Guam dishes all the way out to number 5 to set it up. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Shoots the 3, misses. Rebound by number 4, Team Chuuk. Dribbling up the court, pass to number 13. Big man number 13, Team Chuuk. Spins. Looking for help, pass to number 4, Team Chuuk. Dribble between the legs, dribbling. Shoots the 3-pointer, makes the shot. 2-point lead by Team Guam in the first quarter. 4 minutes, 50 seconds. Passes back out, shoots from the 3-point line, misses. Rebound by number 13. Team Chuuk dribbling up the court, double teamed, and it's a foul called on number 15. Good hustle by Team Guam with the full court press. Now they're switching it up to a man-to-man defense. Number 5 dribbling, gets double teamed, triple teamed, passes to number 11, loses the ball. Substitution for Team Guam. Subbing in for number 11 is number 7, Chuuk. Subbing in for number 8 is number 11, Team Guam. Guam inbounds. Fakes inside the key, spins, shoots, and one by Team Guam, number 11. Score now is 11-7. Time on the clock is 4 minutes, 15 seconds. Opportunity for Team Guam to make it a 3-point play. Shoots. Misses. Rebounded by number 15, Team Guam. Puts it back up. Blocked by number 13. Number 13 dribbling up the court. Passes number 15. Gets double teamed and gets fouled by number 5. Oh, big man and small man. Mighty Mouse trying to get hit early on the game and showing emotions already. Number 13 asking for it. Number 5 is not giving in at all. Big man Chuuk, Mighty Mouse Guam. Chuuk inbounds the ball to number 15. Number 15 dribbles up, shoots within the key and makes the score. Score now is 11-9. Time on the clock is 4 minutes. Number 5 calling the shots. Passes number 10. Dribbling in the key, shoots, gets a foul. Guam gets an opportunity to go to the free throw line as Chuuk is giving them the bonus opportunity. Team Chuuk is having a foul trouble, giving them a bonus opportunity to make 2 more points, pulling away from Team Chuuk. Number 10 makes the first shot. Score right now is 12-9. 3 minutes, 52 seconds into the first quarter. Shoots and makes the second. Score now is 14-9. Number 5 inbound. Man-to-man defense by Team Guam. Nifon dribbling the ball. Passes back to number 7. Number 7 recovers and gets a foul by number 5. 14 fouls for Team Guam. 3 minutes, 34 seconds. Score is 13-9. Subbing in for Team Guam is 13 and 12. Number 5 and number 10 gets to sit back on the bench. Number 5 also gets subbed out by number 9, Team Chuuk. Inbounds to number 9, dishes back to number 4. Good pass by number 15. Misses the layup. Guam goes all the way, shoots from the 3-pointer, and he makes it. Number 12 makes a 3-pointer for Team Guam, pulling away. The score is double digits now. Good hustle by Team Guam, stealing the ball. Bad pass, bad ball. Gets a foul by number 7. Number 12, Team Guam shoots the first shot for the free throw. Makes it. Shoots the second. And he makes it. Score now is 18-9. Number 4 dribbling up the court. Dribbles between the legs. Gets manned by number 12 and gets fouled by number 12. Number 12 disagreeing with that call. It's a push. And Team Chuuk gets an opportunity to get back to the free throw line. It's a bonus. Time on the clock is 2 minutes 57 seconds. Score is 18-9. Shoots the first and he misses. Second chance for number 4 for Team Chuuk. Shoots the second and he misses both. Team Guam rebounds. Number 13 going all the way. Passes to number 9. Shoots the 3, misses. 15 trying to put back. Misses again. 12 recovers the ball. Passes number 9. Number 9 passes number 13. 13 goes all the way. Dishes out to number 12. Gets a foul by number 7 and heads to the free throw line for another 2-pointer. Both teams have foul trouble. In 2 minutes and 43 seconds in the first quarter. Number 12 for the first shot. Shoots. Misses. And he goes for the second. He shoots. He misses both. Last ball touched by number 15, giving the possession back to Team Chuuk. Substitution for Team Chuuk, subbing out number 4. Subbing out number 4, number 13 is number 8 to number 5 for Team Chuuk. Ball is live. Number 5 is dribbling up the court. Manning him is number 10 from Team Guam. Shoots the 3. Misses. Out of bounds for Team Chuuk. Ball goes to Team Guam. Manned by number 7, Team Chuuk. Good hustle by number 7, defense. Number 15 dribbling up the court. Manned by number 9 for Team Chuuk. Number 9 passes to number 13. 13 passes back to number 9. Number 9 passes number 10. Good swing. Number 13 driving all the way in. Gets fouled. Another opportunity to head back into the free throw line. Number 7 gets fouled. That's his second personal foul in the first quarter of the game. Shoots the first, he makes it. Making it a double-digit lead for Team Guam. Score now is 19-9. Shoots the second. Rebounded by number 15. Fakes, puts it up, misses, rebounds again. Fakes, puts it up, gets fouled. Gets fouled by number 5, Team Chuuk. Team Guam heads back to the free throw line. Team Chuuk asking for a sub. Team Guam also asking for a sub. Number 8, Team Guam subbing in for number 11. Number 5 gets subbed out by number 14, Fritz for Team Chuuk. Guam shoots for the first, makes it. And it's an 11-point lead in the first quarter. Shoots the second, makes it. Number 9 loses the ball driving up the court. Number 13 recovers, dishes to number 9, dishes to number 15, lays it up, misses, 14 rebounds, passes back to number 8. Number 8 driving up the court. Passes number 9. Number 9 shoots with a jumper, misses. Off by Team Guam. Team Chuuk gets the possession again. 1 minute and 50 seconds on the clock. Long pass to number 8. Number 7 recovers, fakes, drives it in, dishes back out to number 9. Number 9 fakes, pass it back to number 8. Number 8 fakes pass, drives it back to number 9. Settling down Team Chuuk. Number 7 holds the ball, calls the shots, spins, dribbles, and that is a foul called on number 7 with an elbow to Guam. Guam repossesses the ball. Inbounds to number 13. Man, number 7. Man to man by Team Chuuk. Number 8 almost lost the ball. 13 drives it all the way in, lays it up, misses, rebounds by number 15. Dishes back out to number 8, sets it up, squares, threes, misses. 14 rebounds for Team Chuuk. 8 fakes, drives it all the way in. Going up to half court. Settles the team down. 1 minute on the clock. Chuuk swinging the ball back and forth. Number 7 shoots for the 3, misses. Number 15 Guam rebounds. 13 gets the ball, dribbles up the court. 45 seconds on the clock. Passes to number 10. Number 10 looking for help. Number 9 swings the ball to number 13. Number 13 looking for the inside pass. Number 8 gets the ball. 15 gets the ball back. Shoots the 3. Misses. Air ball. Team Chuuk rebounds. Number 7 dishes back to number 8. Dribbling up the court. 20 seconds on the clock. 7 dishes to 14. 14 shoots the 3. And he makes it. Score now is 21-12. Time on the clock is 10 seconds. Number 9 gets the ball, drives it in, lays it up, gets fouled. 4 seconds on the clock. Fouled by number 14. 9 gets to the free throw line. Subbing in at 4 seconds. Team Chuuk. Number 9 for the first attempt. Shoots. Scores. For the second attempt for Team Guam. Shoots. Misses. Number 8 rebounds. Time is 2. 1. And it's a rejection by number 14. That marks the end of the first quarter. Score now is 22-12. A good start by both teams. Good hustle by both teams. Live brought to you by FSMTC, Ace, Matson, Vital, Dove, People's Republic of China, St. Ives, Neutrino, Triple B's, and United. And all of our major sponsors who made it possible to go live here at the College of Micronesia National Campus here in Pohnpei for the 8th Micronesian Games 2014. Welcome back to the second half of the first game for the playoffs. Team Chuuk versus Team Guam. Guam gets the possession for the first play. Five passes to number 8. Almost got stolen. Ball still stays with Team Guam. Good defense by number 4, Team Chuuk. Number 8 inbounds to number 10. Man by number 10 is number 5. Number 14, Green, is called for a push foul. This is his 4th personal foul. 8 is inbounding into number 11. That was a line violation called for Team Chuuk. Number 5 gets the ball back, spins on number 11, passes number 12, 12 to 11. Number 8 shoots for the 3-pointer, misses, rebounded by the Team Chuuk. Passes to number 5, 5 dribbling up the court. Going all the way in with the jumper, banks it, scores, 27-45, 9 minutes, 25 seconds into the game. Fast break by Team Guam, man, double team. Rebounded by Team Guam. Resets. 12 looking for a pass. Into number 11. Passes out back to number 10. Long pass to number 12. 8 with a 3-pointer. Fake. Sets. Shoots. Scores with a 3-pointer. 48-27. Team Guam with a tremendous lead in the second half of the game. Number 11 trying to set his teammates. Passes number 5. Number 5 dribbling. Passes number 4. 4 dishes to 14. 14 passes inside to number 13. Number 13 trying to go in. Call foul on number 8. No, I'm sorry. Call foul on number 11. It's a blocking foul. 8 minutes and 37 seconds into the game with 3 reset on the shot clock. Number 5 dishes into number 13. 13 going all the way in. Trying to get a foul, but there was no call. Number 12 with a fast break. Jumps, lays it in, scores for Team Guam. Score is now 50-27. 13 with a long range shot. Air ball. Recovered by Team Guam. Guam passes number 10. 2-on-1 situation. Nice shot by number 12. Score now is 54-27. 8 minutes on the clock. Number 5 dribbling up the court. Manned by number 10 from Team Guam. Screen. Double teamed. Loses the ball to Team Guam. Eight inbounds to number 5, and number 5 dribbles up the court. Manned by number 11, number 10. Fakes. Passes to number 12. Number 12 free with a 3. Shoots. Recovered by Team Guam. Foul called on number 11, Team Chuuk. Chuuk crowd is not approving the call. It's a late call. Number 5 calling the shots. Passes number 12. Gets a screen. Driving in. Dishes to 5. Shoots. He misses. Fouled on number 14. Looks like he's fouled out of the game, if I'm not mistaken. Looks like number 14 is fouled out of the game. Yes, he is. He's been fouled out of the game early in the third quarter. 7 minutes and 13 seconds into the game. Subbing in for number 14 is number 15. Score now is 52-27. Eight inbounds to number 10 with a jumper, and he makes it. Score now is 54-27. Team Guam with a lead. The big man is carrying up the ball. Tries to go in, double teamed. Loose ball by number 10, Team Guam. Number 5 inbounds to number 9. Passes back to number 5. Fakes, jumps, shoots, and he scores. Score now is 29-54. Number 5 passes all the way to number 12. Number 12 with a three-pointer makes it. Pulling further away from Team Chuuk early in the third quarter. 57-29, 6 minutes on the clock. Number 11 tries to make a three-pointer and it's an air ball, giving the possession back to Team Guam. 6 minutes, 52 seconds on the clock. Number 4 subbing in for number 8 for Team Guam. Inbounds to number 5. Number 5 spins on number 11. Trying to go all the way. Manned by number 11, Team Chuuk. Passes to number 9. Number 9 driving all the way in. Lays it up in the key and he scores. Teardrop shot for Team Guam. Score right now is 59-29. Time on the clock is 6 minutes, 32 seconds. 11 trying to call his teammates out. Double team. Team Guam. Number 5 driving all the way in. Fakes, shoots, misses. Tries to get a rebound. Guam gets it. Recovered by Team Chuuk. Number 15 one-on-one with number 11. Rejected by number 11. Spins it in. Tries to make it in. Misses. Number 9 recovers for Team Guam. Guam dishes all the way down. Trying to make a fast break. Behind. Dishes to number 9. Number 9 with a three-pointer. Shoots. He makes it. 62-29 in the third quarter. 5 minutes and 48 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. And Team Guam is pulling further and further away from Team Chuuk. Number 9 passes number 11. Number 11 trying to make it up. Loses the ball. Number 5 recovers. Number 5 dribbling down the court. Manned by number 13. Going all the way. Dishes all the way to number 9. Number 9 shoots with another 3. Will he make it? And he scores with another 3. Score right now is 65-29. Time on the clock is 5 minutes 20 seconds. Team Chuuk is in trouble right now in the second half. Number 5 tries to make a 3, misses. Rebounded by number 15. Rejected again by number 11, Team Guam. Good defense. Number 5 dishes to number 10 with a three-pointer, misses. Recovered. Dribbling, dishes inside the key. Number 11 loses the ball. Possession goes to Team Chuuk. I'm sorry, Team Chuuk. Timeout called for Team Chuuk as they try desperately to recover in this 34-point lead. 4 minutes, 53 seconds into the third quarter. And we are 34-point lead. Team Guam is 34-point lead over Team Chuuk. Team Guam all smiles walking into the court. Pretty happy about their 34-point lead over Team Chuuk. Number 11 dribbling up the court, manned by number 13 from Team Guam. 13 tries to go in, double team. Good defense by number 13. Team Guam. 15 seconds on the time clock. Number 5 looking for help. Inbounds to number 13. Number 13 spins. Passes to number 5. Number 5 working it. Jumps, shoots, misses. 9 rebounds for Team Guam. 13 dribbling up the court. Dishes to number 14. Number 14 fakes, drives it in. Passes it back out to number 15 with a jumper. Misses. 15 rebounds. Passes to number 9. Number 9 smiling with a three-pointer. This guy is a guarantee at the three-point line. 4 minutes, 14 seconds in the game. 68-29. 11 shoots with a three-pointer, misses. Number 9 rebounds. Good inside pass by number 13. Good layup by number 14, Team Guam. Score pulls further away, 70-29. 3 minutes, 50 seconds into the game. Number 4 brings up the ball. Number 5 dribbles in, spins off, misses inside the key. Rebounded by number 9, Team Guam. Number 13 dribbling up the court. Going, spins on number 5. 13 going in. Number 4 trying to settle the team down. Passes back to number 14. 14 to 13. 13 inside the key, and that was a foul called on Team Chuuk. I'm sorry. Foul called on number 4, Guam. Possession goes to Team Guam. Number 12 going in for number 9. Number 7 going in for number 11. Team Chuuk and Team Guam. Chuuk bringing up the ball. Passes to number 5. Number 5 fakes it, going in, inside the key, fakes it again, lays it up, misses. Number 15 with the rebound, passes to number 13, dribbling up the court. Dishes to 14. 14 with the beautiful layup, puts it in for Team Guam, 72-29. 2 minutes, 52 seconds into the third quarter. Number 14, Chuuk going all the way in, loses the ball, giving it back to Team Guam. Man-to-man defense for Team Chuuk. Number 13 blows past number 7. Fake dribbles, pass to number 14. Gives it back to number 13. Passes back to number 14. Back to 13. 13 spins, dishes in. 15 steals. Chuuk loses the ball. Guam recovers. 2 minutes, 18 seconds into the third quarter. Score is 72-29. Guam with a tremendous lead in the third quarter. 13 looking for help, passes to 14. 14 passes back to 12. 12 goes to 13. Good defense by number 17, Chuuk. Good hustle. 11 seconds on the shot clock. 2 minutes, 4 seconds into the third quarter. Inbounds to number 12. Number 12 with the fake pass, dribbling between the leg. Fakes the shot, passes it back to number 13. Inside pass to number 15. Double team by Team Chuuk. Shoots. Air ball. That's a shot clock violation on Team Guam. Now 1 minute and 51 seconds into the game. Number 5, Team Chuuk brings up the ball. Man-to-man defense for Team Guam. Number 8 fakes it in, passes it back to number 7. Long pass to number 4. Good driving by number 7. Fakes it and puts it in for Team Chuuk. 31-72. Man-to-man defense. Long pass, stolen. Loses it. 13 passes to number 12. 12 goes to number 14. 14 fakes it, going all the way in, and it's a travel called for number 14. If you need a buddy pass, this guy has one. Number 5 bringing up the ball for Team Chuuk. 1 minute, 10 seconds on the clock. Puts up the jumper, and he gets a foul called on number 4. Number 5 heads to the line for free throws. It is a 41-point lead by Team Guam in the third quarter. First attempt misses. 1 minute, 6 seconds on the clock in the third quarter. 41-point lead. Shoots, second attempt misses. Number 15 for Guam rebounds. Passes number 13. 13 brings up the ball to the court. 12 asking for a screen with the jumper. Misses. Rebounded by Team Chuuk. 4 passes number 5 dribbling up the court. Manned by number 14 Team Guam. Going all the way in. Gets fouled. Gets fouled by number 14 Team Guam. Number 5 going back to the free throw line. Hopefully he can make both shots as they desperately need it. Misses the first attempt. 45 seconds in the clock. 72-31. Team Guam with a ridiculously tremendous lead over Team Chuuk. Makes the second shot, 32-72, making it a 40-point lead for Team Guam. 13 dribbles, passes number 7. Passes number 14, and it's a loose ball called on number 4, Team Chuuk. Ball is still in possession for Team Guam. 37 seconds into the third quarter. Number 4 looking to inbound the ball. Passes number 13. Number 13 loses the ball. Gives the possession to Team Chuuk. Man-to-man defense on Team Guam. Number 4 bringing up the ball. Manned by number 12, Team Guam. Number 7 dribbling the ball. Between the legs. Again between the legs. Dishes to number 4. 4 with a jumper. Shoots and he misses. Rebounded by number 13. Number 13 dribbling between the legs. Coming up the ball. Pass to number 14. 14 going in. Dishes number 4. Back to number 12. 12 with a long three-point jumper. Misses. 5 with a rebound. 7. That marks the end of the third quarter. Team Chuuk versus Team Guam. The first game of the playoffs. Score is 72-32. Guam with a 40-point lead over Team Chuuk. Games brought to you live by Ace, Matson, Neutrina, FSMTC, Vital, Dove, St. Ives, Triple B Forwarders, United, and all of our major sponsors for the 8th Micronesian Games happening here at the College of Micronesia National Campus in Pohnpei. And that marks the beginning of the fourth quarter. In this game, Team Chuuk versus Team Guam with a 40-point lead over Team Chuuk. Number 5 going all the way in with a lay, and he makes it. Score now is 34-72. Number 14, Team Guam dribbling out the court. Lows pass number 10. Passes number 10, 12. 12 going all the way in, dishes back out. Number 12 fakes it in, going all the way in, lays it up, misses. Number 7 to inbound for Team Chuuk. Number 5 dribbling up the court. Trying to go all the way in. Spins inside the key. Shoots. Misses. Number 4 rebounds for Team Guam. 13 driving down the court. And number 12 slides all the way down to half court. Number 10 Chuuk showing some sportsmanship. Number 5 inbounds to number 7, Team Chuuk. Number 7 dribbles. Going up against number 13, and it's a kicking called. Called on number 13. Ball stays with Team Chuuk. And shot clock resets. Number 5 inbounds to number 8. 8 passes back to number 5. Screened by number 7. Number 5 trying to go all the way in, but gets fouled by number 13, Team Guam. Number 7 inbounds to number 11, Team Chuuk. Team Chuuk trying to blow past number 4, going all the way in. Teardrop shot, and he puts it in. Number 11 puts it in for Team Guam. Number score right now is 36-72. And it is a foul called on number 7, Team Chuuk. Score now is 72-36. Number 5 subbing on number 13 for Team Guam. Time on the clock is 8 minutes 58 seconds. 15 trying to blow past number 7. Going head to head. Dishes to number 12. Number 12 with a long jumper. Misses. 11 rebounds. Going all the way up. Dribbling up the court. Number 7 gets double teamed and gets fouled on number 4. And green, just Team Chuuk wearing the home color, visiting color. Number 11 dashes to number 5. Number 5 trying to make a move. Crossing it over, fakes it, passes number 10. Number 10 looking for help, passes number 7. Number 7 dribbling up, dishes out to number 11. Number 11 going up, shoot in the key, misses, rebounds by number 13. 13 going up, reversal on number 13, making it a score for Team Chuuk. Now the score is 38-72. Man-to-man defense, and it's an offensive foul called on number 4, Team Guam. Time on the clock is 8 minutes 7 seconds. Score is 72-38. If you are just tuning in now, this game is between Chuuk and Team Guam, and Guam with a tremendous lead, 72-38. Right in the fourth quarter. Number 9 subbing out number 12 for Team Guam. Chuuk inbounds, heading down the court. Looks like Guam is changing up their defense, going into a zone. Number 5 with a jumper, and he misses. 9 Guam rebounds, passes back to their point guard, number 5. Dribbling up the court, dishes back to number 9. Number 9 passes in. Number 15 spins on number 13. Tries to go up, misses, loses the ball. Number 9 and number 4 fighting to get possession of the ball. It's a jump call. Possession goes to Team Guam. And here are your professional wipers, all the way from somewhere in Pohnpei, taking their sweet time wiping the court. Guam inbounds the ball to number 5. 5 looking for help with a man-to-man defense from Team Chuuk. Good defense by number 7. Going all the way in, lays it up. Good layup by number 7. Score now is 40-72. Good defense, good hustle by number 7 with a man-to-man defense by Team Chuuk. Good pass inside the key. Good reversal by number 9. Score now is 74-40. Time on the clock, 7 minutes, 15 seconds. 11 trying to get number 5 to go out and hold the key. Number 5 dishes into number 13. Number 13 with a crossover. Fake, looking for help. Pass to number 5. Double team. Almost loses the ball. 15 tries to steal it. And it's a shot clock violation called on Team Chuuk. Number 5, man by number 7, Team Chuuk. Crossovers, dribbling on the court, trying to get a screen. Bad pass by number 5. Chuuk recovers the ball, going all the way in with a long lay, misses the ball. 14 rebounds, trying to go. 15 asking for the ball to settle down the team. Passes number 9 with a 3-point. Gets fouled by number 13, Team Chuuk. And it looks like number 13 for Team Chuuk has fouled out. Number 4 is subbing in. Number 9 makes the first attempt. Score now is 75-40. Number 9 goes for the second attempt, shoots, and he misses. Third and final attempt for number 9. Score now is 75-40. Time on the clock is 6 minutes, 21 seconds. Goes for the third attempt, shoots, and he misses. Grabs his own miss, passes to number 15 with the lay, misses, 14 rebounds. Resets the ball to number 9. Number 9 with the free. Nobody's blocking him. Misses the three-pointer. Pass to number 14. 14 tries to go in. Stolen by number 7. Number 7 dribbling up the court. 2-on-2 going all the way. Back pass to number 8. And he scores! Beautiful teamwork by Team Chuuk. 13 dribbling up the court. Man by number 7 going all the way in. Gets fouled by number... Foul by Team Chuuk. Number 8. Sub-in call for Team Chuuk. Number 12 subbing in for number 9. Guam with the inbound as we are 5 minutes and 48 seconds into the fourth quarter. Inbounds to number 14. 14 to 13. 13 trying to set up the call. Asking for a screen. Nope, not asking for a screen. Pass to number 4. 4 trying to get away from number 8. Number 8 is all up in his face. With a man-to-man defense from Team Chuuk. Good defense by number 4. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Going all the way in. Fouled hard by number 8. Number 13 showing no signs of pain as 2 men fell over him. Going into the free throw line, number 13. For team... I apologize, it's a base. It fell on the ground, fell on the ground. Inbound on the side. Number 4 for the inbound, pass to number 14. 14, free, fakes. Back to number 13. 13 to number 4. 4 looking for help. Stolen by number 7. Number 7 going all the way in. One-on-one, number 13. Back pass to number 8 again, and they make it. Beautiful teamwork by Team Chuuk. Score is 44-75. What is going on with the bench? Called timeout for Team Guam. A lot of training needs to be done for the bench. Time right now on the clock is 5 minutes 11 seconds. Chuuk showing spirit, trying to get back with the lead, getting back into the game. With Team Guam with a 31-point lead, 75-44 over Team Chuuk. finish the game already. Team Chuuk has to watch their fouls since they have 14 fouls. One more foul will give Team Guam a bonus opportunity, which they don't really need at this time. Guam with the inbound to number 13, man by number 7, Team Chuuk. Team Chuuk going with a man-to-man defense. Number 13 passes number 8. Number 8 looking for a way out. Passes number 13. Number 12. Number 8 on both teams getting really physical. Shaking hands. What a sportsmanship. Gotta love it. Gotta love it. Number 5 subbing in for number 12. We are 4 minutes and 53 seconds into the fourth quarter. And it's a foul out for number 8. Leaving the court. Going back in is number 12 for Team Chuuk. And it's a bonus opportunity for Team Guam. 8 heading to the free throw line. Goes for the first attempt. Shoots. And he misses. Number 8 going for the second attempt. Shoots. And he misses. Number 5 with a rebound for Team Chuuk. Going up all the way up the court. Trying to go all the way in, coast to coast. Lays it up. And he misses. Rebounds that don't miss. Number 7 rebounds. Number 8, Team Guam gets the ball back. Number 9 dribbling up the court. Passes it back to number 8. 13 sets the call. 8 looking for the ball. Passes back to 13. 15 spins on number 12, and it's a foul by number 12, Team Chuuk. Number 15 going to the line. We are 4 minutes and 26 seconds into the fourth quarter for the first games of the playoff for men's basketball here in the 8th Micronesian Games. Right now, Team Guam is having a tremendous lead over Team Chuuk. Number 15 makes the first attempt. Score now is 75. Apologize. 76-44. Thank you, officiating bench. Number 4 passes to 11, and 11 loses the ball, giving the ball back to Team Guam. Number 9 subbing in for number 7. Number 8 inbounds to number 13. Calling the shots, number 13 to Team Guam. 8 passes to 13. 13 goes to 15. Back to number 14. Free at the three-point line. Shoots, misses. Number 13 for Team Guam gets a foul call. Both teams subbing in for their teammates. It's timeout called for Team Guam. Score right now is 76-44. It is a 32-point lead for Team Guam. 4 minutes into the game, the last quarter. 5 inbounds to number 7. To get back from the timeout. 7 dribbling up the court. Loses the ball. Number 9 recovers for Team Guam. 13 brings up the ball. Passes back to number 9. Number 9 looking for help. Dishes inside the key. Number 4 trying to go in. There's a foul called. Number 4, Guam gets called for the elbow. Ball goes to Team Chuuk. Team Guam has to watch their fouls before they give a bonus opportunity for Team Chuuk. Right now we're 3 minutes and 42 seconds into the game. Number 5 for Team Chuuk brings up the ball. Man by number 9, Team Guam. Going all the way in is number 7. Goes back out. Passes number 9. Miscommunication. Number 4 recovers. Passes back to number 13. Number 13 dishes to number 15. He makes his score. 78-44. 5 going all the way in. Gets double teamed. Dishes inside the key. Gets stolen. There's a line violation out of bounds for Team Guam. 5 dishes to 7. 7 fakes, but it was a traveling call. Number 13 trying to blow past number 7. Going all the way in. Passes number 8. Number 14 asking for the ball. Passes number 13. Tries to dish it in. 9 recovers. Throws it up. 15 recovers. Shoots. And it's a score. 3-point opportunity for Team Guam. 15 heads to the free throw line. Score now is 80-44. Time on the clock's 2 minutes 58 seconds. Number 15 misses the first attempt. And they're going. Number 5 jumps all the way in and he scores with a beautiful layup. Score right now is 46-80. Number 9 asking for it. Throws it in the key. Hits off by number 12. Stolen by Team Chuuk. Recovered back by number 9. Team Guam. 13 asks to settle down the team. Dishes to number 9. Free at the 3-point line. Misses. Long pass to number 9. Team Chuuk. Goes for the 3-pointer. Misses. Guam recovers. Asking for help. 13. Guam dribbling up the court. Dishes back out to number 14 with the 3-pointer. And he scores. 83-46. Team Chuuk leading. Number 5 looking to make an attempt. Shoots a 3-point. Smooth. 47-83. What a beautiful crossover by number 4. Going all the way in with a jumper, but he misses. Tries for the rebound and he misses. Number 15 loses the ball. Possession goes back to Team Chuuk. Number 12 inbounds to number 5. Number 5 going all the way in. Going coast to coast again. Lays it up. Misses. 1 minute 25 seconds into the fourth quarter. With Team Guam in the lead. 13 going all the way out. 14 with a free at the 3-point line. Misses. Guam with a rebound. Number 5 going coast to coast again. Loses the ball. Again, another timeout by Team Guam. Time on the clock, 1 minute, 11 seconds. Score is 83-49. And if you're just tuning in, you are watching the fourth quarter, the battle between Team Chuuk and Team Guam. Guam with a tremendous lead, 83-49 over Team Chuuk in the first game of the playoffs. For the 8th Micronesian Games, brought to you live by FSMTC and many of our major sponsors. 5 inbounds to number 4. Number 4 shoots, gets rejected by number 13. Long pass to number 9, nobody blocking him with the three-pointer, misses. Chuuk rebounds. Number 11 going up the court. Coast to coast, misses. Thirteen passes, number 4 going up the court. 4 wants to go all the way in, gets fouled by number 4, Team Chuuk. Heading to the free throw line is number 4 for Team Guam. Time on the clock is seconds, 40 seconds. Goes for this first attempt, misses. And goes for the second attempt, shoots, he misses. Chuuk rebound, going up the court, number 4, looking for help, passes number 5. Number 5 trying to go in, dishes out to number 10. Number 10 with the three-point line, goes way over the target. Guam with the rebound, going up the court. 13 dishes to number 14. 15 asking for it. Wouldn't get it. 14 trying to go in. Passes number 4. Shoots the 3, misses. 10 with the rebound for Team Chuuk. Stolen by number 9, Team Guam. Team Chuuk with the possession with 8 seconds left on the clock. 83-49. 5 bringing up the ball, trying to go in, dishes out to number 10. Number 10 with another chance at the three-point line, misses. 5 rebounds, puts it up, scores with 0.4 seconds left on the clock. 83-50. 83 Guam 50. Chuuk is the final score of the first games for the playoffs. The men's basketball competition, the 8th Micronesian Games, brought to you live here, College of the Micronesia National Campus Gymnasium here in Pohnpei.